Good morning students. In this video session, I am going to teach about the topic algorithm, which comes under the subject of problem solving and Python programming. Okay. In the previous video session, I given the introduction about the subject. In this video session, I am going to teach about the first topic, algorithm. Okay. In unit 1, first topic, algorithm. What is algorithm? Anyone have the idea about algorithm? Algorithm is nothing but it's a step-by-step instructions or step-by-step procedure to find the solution for the particular problem. For one problem, you want to find the solution. So it is the step-by-step procedure to find the solution for the particular problem. Okay. For example, you are playing a chess game. There should be few instruction or few steps are there or few rules are there. You have to follow the particular steps. Or similarly, if you want to move from one place to another, for example, from Taklai to Naharkoil, you have to move. You are using a Google Maps. It will say the step by step. Take right, take left. Like that, you are giving the steps and you are reaching the destination. Similarly, for the particular problem, you are finding the solution in the step-by-step manner. That is called algorithm. All of you understood? There are two definitions are there. First one is step-by-step procedure to find the solution for the given problem. And the second one is, it's a finite sequence of instructions. What is that? It has the finite sequence. Sequence means order of instructions. Okay, the instruction contains the set of inputs, the set of outputs, and how it's work, the procedure. Okay, it's a finite sequence of instruction which have the set of inputs, the set of outputs, and how it works, the procedure. Okay, these are the two definitions. The third important thing is, it is the blueprint of the programming language. Okay, so it acts as the blueprint for writing the program. What is blueprint? Blueprint is nothing but for construction. For doing some construction, you are putting the plan, right? Similarly, if you want to write the programs or if you want to write any program languages, you need to develop a logic first. You want to find the steps, how you have to write. So this algorithm gives the blueprint of that. Once you wrote the algorithm, you can find the logic, how to write the program. Okay, all of you understand? Then, characteristics. Okay, these are the topics we are going to see inside the algorithm. First definition, already I explained. The second one is characteristics. What is characteristics? Characteristics are nothing but, it's a futures. If you are writing the algorithm means, these are the futures we have to write or you have to use inside the algorithm. First thing is, be precise. What is precise? Anyone know what is precise? Precise means accurate. Accurate. Okay. So while you are writing the algorithm has the features of precise or accurate. Your algorithm must give the accurate result. Your algorithm want to give accurate result. The second one is, be unambiguous. What is ambiguous? Ambiguous means confusions. Unambiguous means no confusions. Okay. So your algorithm should not confuse. It should be give the clear thing. Clear, accurate things it want to give. Without confusion, it want to give the result. Okay. The third one is finite number of inputs. While you are writing the algorithm, you have to determine what is the input, how many inputs, finite number of. For example, you are checking with 5 inputs or 10 inputs. Like that, you have to fix it. There should be a finite number of inputs. Depend upon the inputs, there should be a finite number of output. Okay. The fourth thing is finite number of steps. What is finite number of steps? There should be a certain steps. For example, you are going to add 2 numbers. Within 3 steps, you can able to do it, right? Take 2 numbers, add it, then show the result. Like that, each and every algorithm, you have to show the finite number of, you have to write the finite number of steps. Okay, your algorithm should be finite, not infinite. There should be a one start point, there should be one end point in between the procedure will be there. All of you got it? Then write in sequence. What is sequence? Sequence means order. It's nothing but step by step, one after another. What's the first step? What's the second step? Like that, you have to write in the order. You should not skip the order. Okay, your algorithm must be in the sequential order. What are the four characteristics? First one is precise, second one is unambiguous, third one is finite number of inputs, next one is sequence, it should be in the sequence, then finite number of steps. Okay, so these are the characteristics. The next thing is qualities of algorithm. Why we need this quality? For example, you are going to purchasing a mobile. There are a lot of mobiles are there. You are seeing the qualities, right? There are different quality determinations are there, right? Similarly, for a particular problem, if you are giving any problem, there are large number of solutions. Many people give many solutions. You have to find out which solution is best one, which solution is better one. So for finding that better one thing, you have to check the qualities. So for determine the quality in algorithm, they are using four things. Okay, the first one is accuracy, second one is memory, third one is time, and fourth one is order. These are the four factors which determine the quality of algorithm. Okay, so first one, accuracy. What is accuracy? Accuracy means correct, accurate things, correct. Your algorithm must give the correct answer, exact solution for the particular problem. Second one, memory. For example, you want to add two numbers. Within 3 steps, I can complete it. Even though if you complete in 3 steps, you can write in 5 steps or 7 steps also. So while you are writing the algorithm, you have to think about the memory utilization. Your algorithm want to be use less memory. Depend upon the algorithm only, you are going to write the program. While you are writing the program, if the lines of the programs are high, or if you are use more variables, then the memory utilization will be high. So always keep it in your mind, while you are writing the algorithm, your algorithm should be memory efficient. It want to take less memory. The third one, time efficiency. While you are writing the algorithm want to take less time to execute. Okay, while you are executing the program, if the program takes long time, means it's inefficient thing. Okay, so your program should be written with the help of this algorithm. So your algorithm want to be time efficient. It want to take less time. The next one is order. What is order? Sequential order. It should be in the step by step, one by one. Without skipping any step, you have to specify step by step. Okay, these are the 4 factors which determine the quality of the algorithm. All of you got it? The next topic is advantages. Okay, the next topic is advantages. Okay, what are the advantages for writing the algorithm? Okay, the first advantage is it is easy to understand. Why we are saying it is easy to understand? What's the purpose of algorithm means? For writing the program, for writing any programs in the programming language, we have to know the logic first. What is the logic? Logic is nothing but for do addition of 2 numbers means, what's the logic? Get 2 numbers, add it, this is the logic. Okay, similarly each and every problem there should be a logic. The logic should be understood with the help of this algorithm only. If you wrote the algorithm accurately with the help of algorithm, we can easily write the program. We can easily find the logic of the program. So with the help of algorithm, it is easy to understand. Okay, the second step is use is definite procedure. What is definite procedure? Once you wrote the algorithm clearly, you can find the definite procedure, the definite step by step. What step we have to do after that? Like that, we can get the definite blueprint how to write the program. Okay, it should not be indefinite. Definite procedure we can able to find out with the help of algorithm. That's what we can say the use is definite procedure. The third one is independent on any programming languages. What it means? There are many number of programming languages are there. Okay, for example, C is there, C++, Java, .NET. Here we are going to study Python. These all are the programming languages. So your algorithm is not depend upon any one programming. It is independent to all programming. That means you can write the algorithm for all the programming languages. You can write the algorithm for all the programming languages, not only this Python. That it means independent to any programming language. Okay, all of you understood the advantages. What are the advantages? Easy to understand, definite procedure, then independent to any programming languages. The next one is disadvantages. Okay, what's the next one? Disadvantages. The first disadvantages of algorithm is it's not a computer program. Whether we can able to execute the algorithm in the computer? No, we can't able to execute the algorithm. You have to write the program, then we can able to execute the program in the computer. So just algorithm is the blueprint. It's just a procedure how to write the program. Okay, so it's not a computer program. Even though we are understanding the logic and procedure, you are getting the definite thing, everything for the program, it's not a computer program. So again you have to write the computer program. Even though you completed algorithm, again you have to write the program also. So it's a time consuming process. The third one is difficult to show branching and looping. What is branching? Anyone have the idea? Branching means selection or checking a condition. For example, I want to find the number is positive or negative. How you find? If the input number is greater than 0, we say it is a positive. If the number is less than 0, we can say it is a negative. So what's the condition there? The condition is x is greater than 0 or less than 0. If the condition is true, for example, if it is greater than 0 means it will check the positive choice. If the number is less than 0 means it will take the negative choice. So branching is nothing but it's a selection. Depend upon the condition, any one choice will be selected. Then what is looping? Looping, the other name of looping is called as iteration or repetition. If you want to repeat the steps again and again, then we say it is a looping process. For example, sum of n numbers or sum of 5 numbers. So you want to add the first number with the second number, then second number with third, then third with fourth, like that. You are doing the addition process again and again for 5 times. So this repetitive process is called as looping process. All of you got it? So till now, what are the things we discussed? First, definition. It's a step-by-step procedure to find the solution of the particular problem. Then characteristics, then qualities, then advantages, then disadvantages. At last, we can see one example so you can able to understand clearly. Okay. So what's the example here? Algorithm to add 2 numbers, a simple example. So how you add 2 numbers? You have to take 2 numbers as input, then add it, calculate it, then display the answer. This is the step, right? The same thing you have to write in the simple English, that's enough. You have to write in simple English. First step, start. I am going to start the algorithm. Then read 2 values A and B. What is this A and B? This A and B are called as variables. A and B are called as variables. Why we need variables? For example, variables means nothing but used to store the values. Used to store the values. In any programming languages, we can't able to store the numbers or values directly. We can't store 10 or 15 in the programming language directly. For storing the numbers, we need variables. For storing the numbers, we need a variable. For example, A is 10, B is 5 means the 10 is stored inside the variable A and 5 is stored inside the variable B. So variables are used to store the values. Okay, that's what. Read two values 10, 5. A denotes 10 and B denotes 5. Now we have to add it, right? So what's the value of 10 here? A here 10. What's the value of B? 5. What's the answer? 15. So for storing this answer 15, for store the answer 15, we need the another variable. That's what I put C here. All of you understood why I used C here? C equal to A plus B. The answer 15 will be stored inside C. Okay, now inside the C only the answer is there. You have to show the output or you have to display the output in the screen. For that, in simple English, print C. So what is C? Inside C, 15 is there, so it will be printed. First getting the two inputs A and B, just calculate, add it, then print C. The last step is stop. Okay, so this is the way in simple English you have to write the algorithm. I hope you all understand how to write the algorithm. Thank you, students.